Kuna wakati umewahi fika, unajiuliza sasa wewe utadu. Kazi haiendi fine, pengine family haiendi fine, mambo zako zote haziendi fine. Have you ever asked yourself, or rather, have you reached a point unajiuliza, what is it that I'm doing wrong? For example, a friend of mine was sharing a problem. He was not doing well at work. Akasema sasa nitafanya nini? Job haifanyi, bibi yangu ni huyo naye. What is wrong with me? Wakati alikuwa nataka kutoroka, or rather he was saying I'm going to leave my children and leave, because now this wife of mine ananipatia pressure. Anasema what kind of a man I am, anaambiwa what kind, yani wanaume wako na magari, wewe unaenda miguu kama nyoka. Yani what is it? So he went on his knees. God akamuuliza, what if it is not you? Na wewe hiyo shindo unaenda through, what if it's not your problem? Please think. May God give you the strength to refocus and tell God that unataka kujijua.